Hey guys, welcome to Vasily Doing Stuff. I am Vasily. I hope everybody is alright. I have sold this Game Boy Pocket on my eBay store in original box. And today I'm going to pack it for the buyer. First thing first, a good box. Found this envelope. I was thinking that it will be a good idea to use. And a little bit more security. Probably a little bit too much, but always it's better safe than sorry, especially when it comes to eBay. Okay. Okay, not to forget, always to say thank you to the buyers for my thank you box. And as I always like to add some good word, always compliment other people. That's why I have the compliment box. So that's it. Put it in the box. Well, I will need another box. Okay, needed to check few options. Found this one. Let's see, I will need some more stuffing into it. Okay, so after looking for a little bit, found a little piece of this. I have so many packing materials from also packages that I received for myself. I know that the most important thing is that nothing will be wobbling inside, so if it not move, it's good enough. So that was. Yeah, today it looks like I was really not prepared for this video, but tomorrow I start a journey of a lifetime, so I hope you can excuse me. So that will be it for this video. After I will put the shipping sleeve, I will put more layer of tape over the box, so the box will be a little bit water friendly if there's like some rain or something. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you can like it and consider subscribing. It is just a press of a button for you, but it makes such a huge difference for me. I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye.